Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chef Sue and I'm back again with another amazing video. Today I'll take you through a step-by-step guide to making pure homemade groundnut or peanut oil from scratch with only one ingredient. It's a very healthy oil you can make yourself in the comfort of your home, and homemade is always best. So let's get started. You're going to need some groundnuts or peanuts for this recipe. So make sure to properly take out dirt and clean your nuts properly. And then we are going to toast our nuts in a pan. You can toast this in an oven or an air fryer. Just make sure to check it always to prevent burning and to make sure it toasts evenly. You're going to do this for 15 to 20 minutes or more on low heat depending on the quantity of your groundnut. Toasting time might take longer, so toast till well toasted and the skin comes off easily, then you can take it off heat. Then you can spread on a wide tray to cool down before taking off the husk. If the husk comes off easily this way, then it's well toasted, but if not, you might need to take it back and toast for a bit longer, okay? I take off mine by rubbing the groundnuts like this against my palm and it all comes off easily. I'll go ahead and take off all the husks of my groundnuts. So this is the husk and this is the cleaned peanuts. Next is we're going to blend the peanuts till very smooth. So go ahead and transfer to your very strong blender and blend till very smooth. Also, please don't add any water to this while blending, so blend just the peanut without adding any liquid or water. So we're done blending and this is what our peanut paste looks like. Make sure to blend very well till very smooth like this. The smoother your groundnut paste, the easier it will be to extract the oil, okay? So blend all your groundnut and transfer to your bowl. After blending, your paste should look like this, almost runny and very smooth. So we're going to use cold water for the next step. This is water from the fridge, okay? So I'll go ahead and add a little of the cold water into my paste and turn. I'll start turning properly. So I'm using cold water because after blending my paste, it was very hot. So it's best to use cold water when your paste is hot. But if you don't extract the oil immediately after blending and your blended paste gets to room temperature and it's no longer hot, then you need to use hot water to help extract your oil. As it soaks up the water, the paste gets heavier and more difficult to stir. The consistency has changed to a thicker and heavy consistency, so I'll add more cold water and keep stirring. Guys, if you haven't liked this video at this point, please like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Guys, I switched to my hands because the paste was getting too heavy for my spatula to handle, but it's still hot and my hands couldn't handle the heat, so I switched again to this, which I think does the job perfectly. So keep adding water little by little till the oil starts to come up, okay? So it's absorbing the water and you're just going to keep turning. I can see some oil already. So I'll go ahead with some more water to help the rest of the oil come up. So keep turning. So the oil is all coming out now, and at this point just keep turning and more oil will come out, okay? See the oil, so just keep going. So at this point there's enough oil to scoop out, so I will scoop this out into a bowl and keep turning to get more oil. So I'm just going to go ahead and scoop this all out just like this, and I'll keep turning to get more oil. At this point, after the oil is all coming out, you don't need to add any more water, otherwise your paste will get too soft. I'll further do it this way for the rest of the oil to all gather up in the middle so that it will be easier to scoop out the oil. Preferably, you can just let it sit like this till the next day and you'll see a whole lot of oil out at the top. Guys, if you've watched till this point, thank you and thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't, and share this to others you think might need it. And if there's any recipes you want me to make or anything about this video, please leave me a comment down below. Here's our homemade groundnut oil. So we won't be throwing this away, okay? I'm going to use this to make kuli kuli. It's called kuli kuli in Nigeria. It's also called groundnut cake, okay? So I'll make the long ones. I'm just going to mold it and make this long shape in my hands, and then I'm also going to make the flat ones just like this. So I'll roll this long in my hands and then I'll flatten this just like this. So this is what we have, and we're going to fry this with our groundnut oil, okay? So I'll add the oil to a pan and let it heat up properly. So this is also a method to purify the oil. If you plan on keeping your oil for a long time, you need to heat it up till all the white foam, all this foam you see at the top, till it all escapes, till it's all gone. So I'll go ahead and fry my kuli kuli. I'll start by frying the flat ones in my groundnut oil. I'll also fry the long ones just like this, and guys, these are so crispy. So our kuli kuli or groundnut cake is all ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.